education can be a real challenge when you have to deal with 3, 4, or even 5 courses at a time. So imagine what your life would be like getting an education from a Brown Mackie college where you only take 1 course at a time. Yes, 1 course at a time. No matter what area of study is in line with your goal, it's still 1 course at a time, keeping you moving forward, focused on your future. Brown Mackie College, 1 course a month.
You gotta find a different angle.
Call Brown Mackie College South Bend today at 1-888-793.
Yeah, but if I get it, it'll scare her.
Sorry.
You might want to slow down a bit, buddy. One more fight.
Ready?
Sheldon. I'm just so full. That's it. No more hot food. Life changes. Weekdays at 3 on CW25. Okay, we got power to the laser. I should have brought an umbrella. What for? It's not gonna rain. I know that, but with skin as fair as mine, moonburn is a real possibility.